Hola, my name is Aida Lugo McAllister, author of Ida's Kitchen a lo Boricua, a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook. I am going to demonstrate how to prepare black bean soup. Sopa de Habichuelas Negras. I cook the black beans using a pressure cooker. Watch my YouTube video on how to cook dry beans with a pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, don't worry, no se preocupe. Watch my other YouTube video on how to cook dry beans on the stove top. The black bean soup is also an excellent dish for vegans and vegetarians. In Puerto Rico, the Taino Indians cultivated the black beans, the red kidney beans, the white beans, but they preferred the red kidney beans because they were much larger and they cooked more rapidly. The Cubans and the Puerto Ricans have similar ethnic background. However, the Cubans prefer the black beans. So the Cubans, they stew their black beans. The Puerto Ricans, they stew the red kidney beans, and both are served over white rice. Sofrito is one of the ingredients in preparing the black bean soup. It is a special blend of our herbs and vegetable that is pureed. Now, if you don't want to make a large batch of sofrito, then visit my website, aidaskitchenboricua.com, or on page 18 of my cookbook, Aida's Kitchen a lo Boricua, and learn how to prepare sofrito for a single meal. Let's get ready to start preparing our black bean soup. I placed the black beans with liquid that was cooked using a pressure cooker into a large saucepan. Now let's add the following ingredients to make our black bean soup. I'm going to start with 2 cubes of sofrito. I make my sofrito with culantro. 3 garlic cloves minced. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon of dry oregano leaves. 1 teaspoon of adobo without salt. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And 3 teaspoons of salt. Now I use low sodium. Let's stir all the ingredients until well blended. Now we're going to simmer the black beans for an hour uncovered. The black bean soup has been simmering now for an hour. Let's give it a quick stir. I can smell the cumin, the sofrito, the adobo. Now you can alter the quantity of your seasoning according to your taste. You can see that the sauce is thickening. I'm going to scoop up 2 cups of black bean soup into a small bowl. Now I'm going to mash the black beans with the potato masher. The mashed beans will serve as a thickener. Add the mashed beans back into the saucepan and simmer for 30 minutes uncovered. The black bean soup has been simmering now for the additional 30 minutes. It is done. The sauce is very thick. And as a reminder, this black bean soup can also be consumed by vegans and vegetarians. Serve yourself a bowl of black bean soup and add crumbled double fried plantain on top of soup for garnish. Acabamos de preparar la sopa de habichuelas negras. We just finished preparing our black bean soup. Now you can also garnish the black bean soup using onions or crackers, your preference. However, if you want to garnish the black bean soup using fried plantains, then watch my YouTube video on how to prepare tostones, known as double fried plantains. I already prepared some tostones. All you need to do is place 1 or 2 tostones in a mortar and mash them using the pesto. Now I am ready to taste my black bean soup. You can definitely taste the Caribbean flavors, especially the cumin. Let me take some with the fried plantains. The crunchiness of the fried plantains complements the creamy texture of the soup. Delicioso. Now the black beans are high in fiber and they have a huge amount of flavonoids. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare black bean soup, Sopa de Habichuelas Negras. Thank you for watching my cooking video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and press on the cookbook tab. Now, my cookbook is a bilingual cookbook. It consists of 42 authentic recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you very much for watching my cooking video.